Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and today's session is RTP and RTCP protocol, that is for the voice protocol, and all of the communications like uh, video calls, audio calls, all are using these protocols, right? So before proceeding further and details about the RTP and RTCP, let me give you the brief about myself. My name is Rahul Mora and I'm having around 17 years of experience in industry. And this session is prepared for those who are looking for their career in voice domain. These sessions are the basic sessions which are required for all of the engineers to understand the basics of voice. And also, I have put some questions related to the interviews so they can prepare themselves for the next level, right? So let's hope for the good. Thanks. Let me start with the session. So today's session is RTP and RTCP, and these are the voice protocols. Let's start with the RTP, that is the real-time protocol. Uh, right. So as per the definition, it is a network protocol designed for delivering real-time media such as voice, video, audio streaming, or the packet IP networks. Right. So what exactly it means? So whenever we make any communications like a phone call or video call, right? So there are number of stream which is established from your endpoint to the far end, right? And one of the session is RTP, that is carrying your voice traffic, the real time informations from one point to the other point. So these protocols are used for audio, video, right, and the video stream. And the main feature of RTP, so it's a real-time protocols, and it's maintain the real-time delivery of your voice packets from one point to the another point, and it carries your traffic and using a UDP as a transport layer, right? So whenever you are communicating, you are sending your data in the on the UDP protocols, right? Because UDP protocols are very lightweight and it maintain the low latency between your endpoints, because we doesn't want that whenever there is a communication setup, uh, there should be any delay in the voice or video, right? So that's what we are using UDP as a transport for the voice or RTP stream. Also, it's contain the sequence number. So, so as per the definitions, each packet is labeled with a sequence number, allowing the receiver to detect packet loss or record a packet loss if there is any packet which is arrived out of order. So it contains, I mean, the RTP packet contains the sequence number, so that whenever it received by the receiver, it will match the sequence number, right? And the timestamp, it is also having the timestamp stamps. For instance, to align audio and video. For example, if there is a video call, right? So there should be a timestamp, or synchronization of the time between your voice as well as video, right? So that is maintained by RTP. And next is the payload format. It carries the different formats of codecs like G711, G729, G722, Opus, etc. I will prepare one more slides for the codecs, because these are the one of the main keys in voice world, the codecs, right? So from the slides, main points which I can say for the real time is it's lightweight, right? That is what interview can ask you, uh, which which transport layer you will use for the RTP stream, right? So that is for the UDP. We generally use UDP, right? Because it's lightweighted and there is no reduced overhead, right? And then the timestamp, it synchronize the timestamp between your audio and the video, and it's carrying different for media formats, that is G711, G729, right? And G722, Opus, ILBC. There are different codecs which it supports, right? So The next is the RTCP, that is real-time control protocol. So it's a companion protocol to RTP. RTP handles delivery of media, and RTCP used to exchange the control messages and provide statistics about the media delivery. So what happens whenever you establish any RTP stream? There is one more protocol which works along with that. That is the RTCP. And what what is the main role of the RTCP? Its main role is to have the control of control of the messages. Like if there is any packet loss, jitter, or any time loss, or whatever it is there in the stream, it maintain those information with them, right? So main feature of RTCP is the quality of service monitoring. So it, as I said earlier, that it reports packet loss, jitter, delay, or any other delivery metrics. So it maintains and monitoring all those informations. And the next is sender and receiver packets. It's provide information about the number of packet drops, right? Packet delay, variation, jitter, and latency. So basically, whatever the metrics along with the RTP stream, the main role of RTCP is to carry those informations like packet loss, jitter, and latency of the network, right? Next slide is application in VoIP. So as RTP is used by soft phone, IP phone, WebRTC, video conferencing, and other multimedia applications, right? Where delivery of the packet is very crucial, right? And RTCP helps in maintaining the quality and robustness of the RTP stream. It provides delivery of metrics, allowing endpoints to adapt the network conditions, provide diagnosis in case of problems such as packet loss or jitter, right? So this is a packet of RTP stream, right? So it will contain all those informations, version, padding, extension, SR, SC, sorry, CSRC counts, marker, payload type, sequence number, timestamp, right? And synchronization source identifier and CSRC. And this is the packet of RTCP. So it in the last, if you can see that it's having one block, that is report blocks with packet loss, jitter, timestamp. So that's how RTCP work. And the summary, so RTP it's a transport media for the voice and the video, and RTCP contains basically monitors delivery, control the flow, and assist in synchronization. Together, RTP and RTCP enables high fidelity real-time media communications over packet switch network, means IP network, right? So uh, these are the this is the basic of the uh, real-time monitoring protocols or the voice protocols, I can say. So anyone in the interviewer can ask you about the RTP, which protocols it's used to travel the voice in the real time, and what is the protocol which is used to monitor those network stats or the voice stats during this RTP stream. So you should be aware of this at least basics of RTP and RTCP, right? And I will there is one question for you, that how you check whether RTP stream is established between the endpoints, right? You can comment those the answer in the comment section, right? And I will answer that questions in my next videos, right? And I hope you like this session, and thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye bye.